Alright guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. This is the culprit, a busted fuse. And because this happened, my return pump for the turbo system didn't work. So I got a couple of fresh fuses, and it goes right here. And because of that, the return pump wasn't working, which was causing a whole bunch of oil to come rushing out of the breather for the oil system for the turbo. So I'm glad that it was only a fuse. You know, the next couple of days I'm gonna just drive around the Charger, and hopefully you know, it just doesn't happen again. I was set up to meet up with Boost Kings. We were going to do a couple of projects on the Charger, but I don't really trust this thing at this point to make a 2-hour drive. So, you know, the next 3 or 4 days, I'm going to rip around town. I'm going to make sure that that doesn't happen again. I'm not really sure what caused it, but, you know, my faith in the Charger right now is a little low. So I'm going to run around town, see how the thing operates. One thing I've noticed after this has happened, I don't know if oil is spilling out. You know, I know it's a part of modding. Things happen. You know, you're adding a lot of pieces to the car, and you know, sometimes just shit happens. But all right, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll tell you, it was kind of freaky when I was watching the smoke come ripping behind me, and then, you know, watching it come from underneath the hood and filling up the cabin. So what are you gonna do? All right guys, so I'm gonna roll around with an extra fuse in my car just in case that happens again. But in the meantime, I'll just take it on the highway, have a little bit of fun, and hopefully it just doesn't happen again.
Be playing with lollipops. No, a blown fuse or something. You know, my return pump for the turbos is not working. So, nice. Have fun car.
Have a good one. All right.